Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can retake eToro questionnaire. So first you need to be logged in into your account on the web browser now. Then let's go to the settings here at the bottom left corner, or if you have opened the sidebar you will find settings also there in here on the left. Now click on that settings, then click on verification center. Then navigate to experience and objectives, and right here you will need to go through financial knowledge, trading experience, and financial status. After you update your answers, you will click done or submit, and yeah, this is pretty much it. Um, you have successfully retake a questionnaire. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.